Today I'm going to show you the task analysis and what we do in the classroom into vacuuming. So the first step we have is get the vacuum. And so we will go to the designated area to get the vacuum. Okay. The second step that we're going to work on is take the vacuum to the carpet. So I went and got the vacuum, I took it to the carpet. The third thing that we are going to work on is to plug in the vacuum. And so we will take it to the area to plug into, the outlet. Okay. The fourth task is to vacuum the carpet. And since this is a makeshift carpet, I'm not going to actually turn the vacuum on, but we will then vacuum the carpet. The next step is you're going to take the cord out of the wall, and you will unplug the cord, and then you will wrap the cord up again. And then you will then take the vacuum back to the position it was located in. Now, as always, things may look a little different in your house, but that task analysis that's the process we follow in the classroom. So hopefully that will help you guys out at home. Thanks.